Hello guys, welcome to our video course about Fastlane for iOS. In addition to coding, an essential part of an iOS developer is working effectively with the Apple Developer Portal and App Store Connect. There are many tasks related to Apple ecosystem such as register application, code signing, beta testing, and so on. They can be highly time-consuming. And now, Fastlane comes to help you. Fastlane is like an assistant that helps you interact with Apple ecosystem over the command line. Now, each of Fastlane's individual tools is designed to solve a common App Store or other problem. Not only that, but Fastlane can also combine many tools together into scripts that are called lanes. So, what are things you will have to do with Apple ecosystem in the development process? Firstly, you need to enroll in the Apple Developer Program. You have to pay $99 a year. Next, you must register the app on the Developer Portal and App Store Connect. Now, if you're part of a team, more things happen, as multiple people begin working on a project. Each developer added to the team brings new certificates and devices that need to be provisioned. As you add capabilities like MapKit or CloudKit to your app, Xcode will help you register those with the Developer Portal and update your app's entitlements. When you're ready to begin testing your app, whether you use TestFlight or a third-party service, you'll need distribution profiles. By default, Xcode will handle it for you. You'll also need to create and upload a code-signed IPA file, and you also have to sign up and manage testers for your app. As you prepare to submit your app to the App Store, several new things come into play. Is your app metadata complete in all the languages you support? Does it violate any App Store policies? Have you created and framed all your screenshots, one for every screenshot type, multiplied by devices you'll support, and multiplied again for every language you'll support? Okay, finally, it's time to submit your app for sale. So, what can Fastlane help you? Step 1. Fastlane cannot help you in this step. Only your wallet can. Next, Fastlane has a command called produce to help you do this with just a few simple commands. When working with teams, Fastlane has Cert and Sigh, which will create an iOS code signing certificate and then a provisioning profile for your app if Cert succeeded. Share one code signing identity across your development team to simplify your code signing setup and prevent code signing issues. In this step, Xcode can help you. Time for testing. Fastlane has Scan make it easy to run tests on your app on a simulator or connected device. Gem builds and packages iOS apps for you. It takes care of all the heavy lifting and makes it super easy to generate a signed IPA or app file. And Pilot makes it easier to manage your app on Apple's TestFlight. Next step, to prepare for distribution phase. Fastlane has Snapshot generates localized iOS and tvOS screenshots for different device types and languages for the App Store and can be uploaded using Deliver. In addition, Fastlane also has Frameit, allows you to put a gorgeous device frame around your iOS screenshots just by running one simple command. Use Frameit to prepare perfect screenshots for the App Store, your website, QA, or emails. In this series, I will show you how to use Fastlane tools and combine them to work effectively with the Apple ecosystem. We're done with this video. Let's move on to the first lesson, how to install Fastlane and using the first action, produce.